So, just connection room, right?
Yes, this room, this suite.
Ah, oh, sweet.
That's a suite. So here, please, you can fit till 2 adults and 1 or 2 child.
That's good for child.
Yes. So we have this bed plus another bed that we can have. I'm not sure that the day. Take a picture.
Oh, it's super.
Is that a very nice view?
Dramatical view of Gulf of Porto
Yes,
Vecchio.
we have the little town of Porto Vecchio, and there, this is the way to La Plage Casadelmar. So, and this suite can be connected to another room.
So, good smell.
Yes. That smells le maquis,
Mm-hmm.
the wood. And here you have the bedroom area connected also to the bathroom.
This is picture you bring from whom?
The picture?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's only whole picture from Corsica.
Oh, it's like local artist.
I don't know the artist. You don't have any signature there? De Robert.
Mm-hmm. Good one.
So they all have the same equipment, just the colors are changing.
Mm-hmm. So. Full.
Yes.
Так, so, and this is connection room.
No, connecting room is this way,
Uh-huh.
but it's busy at the moment. I will show you connecting room.